Today I will show you how to make your own DIY pen booth at home. The cheapest one. Mine cost about 45 euros, dollars or pound if you live in UK. With that you can paint whatever you want, miniatures, models, furnitures, automotive parts. So let's get started. I 3D printed some parts. There are in two parts for most of them because the printer is not big enough. So I have a grid here in two parts. I have a hood in two parts. I have a long ducting here for extracting the air outside, and a fan with speed controller. I will assemble the two parts first. Okay, so the two parts are assembled. We have to put the two grids inside, check if it's okay. Oh, perfect. I will put the files in the description if you want to 3D print that for yourself. Now I will have to take some filter. So it's a filter I bought on Amazon. It's 2 centimeters thick. I think it will be perfect for that project. So I have a rectangle here at about the size we want. Put the filter on. It fits perfectly. So you have the hood and the spray will come on this filter. So now we will use a cardboard, simple cardboard. So I don't want the hood to go inside the cardboard, but just on the cardboard, like that. So I will draw another line here, here. Perfect. Now I can cut. We have our filter, which will come here. Okay. Yeah. If we check the side, we can change the filter from the inside. We have to put the duct. Check if the size is okay. Okay, so now we have to fix the clamps. Not easy to cut, so steady. Okay. Bit of clamps. We put it. We can screw in. And here we go. So now I'll try the system, see if it works. This is the maximum. If we need to change the filter in the box directly, we can, like that. So it will be really easy to maintain. So now I have some lead, so I will put that on the top. I don't think it's too much. I did a hole here. Okay. And now the light for the paint booth. It was my own version of the DIY paint booth. I hope you liked it. You can do it at your home too. It works very well. I will show you in the future because I have a lot of ideas coming out. So subscribe and see you on the next one.